Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Cash App security settings for fraud prevention, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security menu, you will find various options. The first option is Require confirmation to send payments. Enable this option for an added layer of security. Next, look for Lock Cash App and toggle this feature on. Locking your Cash App will require your passcode or fingerprint for every transaction. Now, return to the Privacy and Security menu. Select Security Lock. Enable the security lock to secure your account further. This feature will prompt you for your password or Touch ID before every transaction. Next, find the option for two-factor authentication. Tap to enable two-factor authentication for additional protection. Follow the prompts to link your phone number for SMS verification. After enabling 2FA, ensure you verify your mobile number. Now, return to the profile settings and scroll to notifications. Customize your notification preferences to stay informed about your account activity. Review and adjust settings for fraud alerts to receive notifications in real time. Finally, regularly check for any updates to the Cash App. Updating your app ensures you have the latest security features. By following these steps, you'll enhance the security of your Cash App account significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.